Assalamualaikum, namaste, hi everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today let's make the very tasty Russian salad. For that, firstly we can boil the carrot cubes. Then we can cut these fruits. Let's begin the process. Before that, as usual, a small request. Whoever not a subscriber my channel, please subscribe so that you can get the very delicious, very luscious dishes in future too. And you will be the first viewer of my videos. Click the like button, press the bell icon. Share the friends and relatives. Come on, let us begin the process. Now I already kept the water for boiling to reduce the length of the video and cut the carrot like this cubes. Let us add in the hot water and then boil only for. Meanwhile, let us cut the fruits. Now pomegranate is ready. Now we have to cut the apple. Now our apple pieces are ready. We have cut the apple. Now we are going to cut the pineapple. Let us do till the carrot get heated and get boiled. 2 minutes are over. Our carrot also ready. Let us take it from the boiling water. Our veggies and the fruits are ready. Let us mix the salad. Salad is nothing but the combination of the veggies and fruits. You can add your favorite, your choice fruits such as peas, green peas, potatoes, and bell peppers as per your wish, as per the family, kids and the family wishes. Today I am using the some selective veggies such as carrot, pineapple, apple, pomegranate, and corn, frozen corn. Let us mix them. Firstly, we have to add the mayonnaise, 1 cup mayonnaise. This is homemade cream, fresh cream, cow milk cream, powdered sugar. As for your taste, if you are a lover of sweetness much, you can add much, or else you can either 2 tablespoonful powdered sugar, half spoon salt, white pepper powder 1 spoonful, black pepper 1 spoonful. Now let us mix well. Now our mixture is ready. It is well mixed. Now let us add the fruits and veggies. Firstly, I am adding the apple because otherwise it will turn into red in color. So let us mix well first. Then carrot. One by one you can mix all the veggies and the fruits. Pineapple, corn, pomegranate. Let us mix well. See the texture of the salad, Russian salad. See how nice it is. The glaze of the salad, it's very nice. It should be like this only, juicy and then creamy. Now let us decorate with the. You can decorate with anything as per your wish. Now I am going to decorate with the cherries. Now we have decorated with the cherries. Our salad is ready. Now we have to refrigerate this for at least 2 to 3 hours so that it will become very chill. Then it will be very luscious and fantastic in taste for eating and let us refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now you can take out from the fridge. After 3 hours you can serve and eat. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.